2027 New Upgraded Wi-Fi Smart 3-Zone Water Timer. Part 1. Download the app. How to download the Smart Life app. Download and install the Smart Life app. Log in or create an account. Part 2. Battery installation. Remove the battery compartment cover at the back of the timer. Insert 2 new AA alkaline batteries. Put the battery compartment cover back to the timer and press firmly to make sure it is completely sealed. Part 3. Gateway link. Plug the Wi-Fi hub into a power source and prepare to connect to the network. Note, the gateway only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. If you have a dual-band router, please split 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi and name them separately. For more help, please contact our customer service. Open Smart Life app and click plus to add device. Long press the gateway until the indicator flashes quickly. Click the gateway icon. When adding successfully, click Done button. Click plus add device. Part 4. Wi-Fi scheduled watering link. To activate the timer's pairing mode, long press the pair buttons until the LED indicator fast blinks. Search for the desired watering timer and click Water Timer icon. After adding the program, click the Done button. After adding, enter the home page of the setting program. Part 5. Install the timer. Close garden faucet. Apply Teflon tape to faucet threads. Install the timer on the faucet, ensuring the display is positioned vertically to prevent water intrusion. Apply Teflon tape to timer outlet threads. Connect garden hoses to timer outlets. Turn faucet on after setting timer. Tips: if timer connections loose or leaking, add more Teflon tape and align threads. Use a rubber washer if faucet threads don't reach the timer inlet. Note: install timer manually. Remove it during freezes to avoid damage. Properly install and maintain the filter. Part 6. Programming the timer. Enter the home page, click Schedule to enter the schedule irrigation plan settings. Click the Add button to add an irrigation schedule. Daily irrigation schedules support adding up to 5 schedules. A time conflict with the misting mode will prevent the settings from being saved. Set irrigation start time. Run time is the irrigation duration, with a range from 1 second to 12 hours. The loop setting controls irrigation frequency. When the slider is off, irrigation runs only once. Slide it to On to enable recurring irrigation and select your desired days of the week. Click the Save icon to store the preset program settings. Click Add to create a new spray mode schedule. A time conflict with the schedule irrigation schedule will prevent the settings from being saved. Set spray mode start time. Set spray mode end time. Set spray mode irrigation duration, 1 minute to 59 minutes. Set spray mode interval duration, 1 minute to 59 minutes. Cycle settings control irrigation frequency. When the slider is turned off, irrigation runs only once. Slide it to On to enable cycle irrigation and select the desired days of the week. Click the Save icon to store the preset program settings. How to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Click the My icon at the bottom of the home page. Click the Settings icon in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the temperature unit list and change Celsius to Fahrenheit. Part 7. Manual watering. Select the zone for manual irrigation. Choose Zone A, Zone B, and Zone C. The default duration for manual watering is 10 minutes. Click the Manual Watering icon to set the manual irrigation duration. Manual irrigation duration, 1 second to 12 hours. Click the circle icon under the manual watering text. When the gray icon lights up, manual watering is activated. Part 8. Rain delay. On the main screen, tap Weather Delay to navigate to the rain delay page for settings. On the main screen, tap Weather Delay to navigate to the rain delay page for settings. You can select a fixed rain delay duration of 1 to 7 days. To enable Smart Weather Controlled Rain Delay, toggle the Smart Weather slider to activate Intelligent Rain Delay Irrigation. To disable rain delay irrigation, tap Cancel to turn off the rain delay function. Note, smart rain delay depends on the accuracy of local weather forecast data and is not 100% accurate in predicting the weather. If you cannot tolerate unreliable irrigation decisions, you can choose not to use this feature. Part 9. Irrigation Record. Irrigation records are separated into Zone A, Zone B and Zone C, allowing for clearer distinction of the records. On the main screen, tap Record to navigate to the Irrigation Record page for analyzing irrigation data. Just set it and forget it.